Hey everybody, I'm Rob Ferretti. I'm here to show you that pew. Try to be like him, but can't think of one. Have I got a story for you? Anyways, so I did a little bit of painting today on this finally, as you can kind of see here. I just did cans of this stuff here. It actually works really well. It's cheap, it's 25 bucks a can now. It prevents rust and doesn't let you focus on the can. And yeah, so I sprayed a little bit and it ran out. What else? Did that a little bit. Another thing that I did that I wish I would have done for my, got a disaster out here already. I turned my compressor off so it didn't turn on in the middle of the night. I bought this metering valve for my cabinet. Million times better now when I actually use my media blaster. You can't see through there. Is that one done? I don't remember if I finished that one or not. I don't think so. Still working on it. I don't know why I stopped. What else? So here's the, I blasted these all off here, and there. I'm gonna put this stuff on there. I think I've said that a million times already, but yeah, cool. All right. what do we have here? Have a IE short block. And Nerf gun, a leaf blower, and cocaine. All right, you know that. Let me just chalk up a line here. Just kidding. It's soda media. Okay, so just coating these arms, painted them on this thing, and then all the stuff that ran down to the other side got stuck. So now I have to grind off this junk. But dude, these came out like freaking amazing. I mean, it has dust, but I don't care because it's going out of the car. That's some tough looking ish. Like it sounds different. Like if you put Dynamite on something. But these came out pretty freaking good, man. For just a paintbrush, like not even pretty dope. But now, yeah, look at this drywall patch. It's a freaking stupid. Anyways, okay. Oh, and then part of my subframe. I didn't even see. Oh, my subframe's over here. Came out pretty freaking good. For the most part, you know. Okay, so we have a Golf R here. This one I'm going to do a here's Exocet, has some primer on it, pretty amazing. It is getting a there's working on his car now. Multi-port fuel injection done. So loud. I don't have any room to fit in my garage here. I need to work on holding my camera farther away from my face. Ugh. Okay, pulling in, coming in hot. This transmission does not sound good. Whoa! Hey guys, what's going on? So these are pretty much, these are all finished. I just had to button up these. Ah, son of a. That one kind of got, okay, that one's good. Okay, that's good. Alright, yeah, so I finished up those. These came out pretty awesome. Just a little dusty, that's why. Those are all done. Subframe's all done. I just had some welds to finish. I think I'm going to trim these down because they're kind of stupid. And I finished the welds for the motor brackets, engine brackets. Put that stuff on here. Nice high gloss for a brush. It's pretty. I'm still pretty amazed by this stuff. Still got some drywall stuck on here, but pretty amazing stuff. What else is new? Flip the frame over. So I finished painting it finally. I had to order more cans, and so far I've spent way more money on cans than I wanted to. I thought it would be quick. It's used about almost 300 bucks on freaking those aerosol cans. So that's it's gonna be about 10 cans. And yeah, so here's the frame so far. It's got tons of overspray, so I gotta wipe it off before I put another coat on. Make sure this is nice and clean because that's going to be what everybody sees. What else? Stripping down the front suspension now so I can media blast all of this. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and media blast all of this. And I have new ball joints, upper and lower, coming. And something, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I don't know what I really have left on. What is that? Oh, poppers. I'm just gonna, I have a bunch of videos that I'm just gonna
put everything on. Just kind of what I've been up to, I think. And yeah, all right, well, peace out, everybody. Blah, blah.